Welcome to this tutorial on the left function in Excel. In this video, we will learn how to extract text from the start of any string using the left function. So, what exactly is the left function? The left function extracts a specified number of characters from the beginning of a text string. It is very useful if you want to get a substring from a string starting from the leftmost character. Now, let's understand the syntax of the left function. The syntax is as follows: equals left open parenthesis text comma number underscore chars close parenthesis. Here, text is the text string that you want to extract from, and number underscore chars is the number of characters you want to extract from the beginning of the text string. Let us see a basic example. Consider the formula equals left open parenthesis, double quote hello world, double quote, comma, 5 close parenthesis. The result of this formula is double quote hello double quote. The function extracts the first 5 characters from the text hello world. Let's look at an example in an Excel worksheet. In cell A2 we have the full name John Smith. In cell B2 we put the formula equals left open parenthesis, A2 comma 4 close parenthesis. This gives us the first name John in cell C2 as the result. The left function extracts the first 4 characters from the full name in cell A2. The left function can be used for a variety of practical use cases. 2 common use cases are extracting domain prefixes and extracting product codes. The left function can be used to get the first part of email addresses or domain names. Also, you can extract category codes from product identifiers using the left function. Here are more examples to clarify your understanding. If the input text is Microsoft Excel, and the formula is equals left open parenthesis A1 comma 9 close parenthesis, then the result will be Microsoft. If the input text is ABC-12345, and the formula is equals left open parenthesis A2 comma 3 close parenthesis, then the result will be ABC. If the input text is user@domain.com, and the formula is equals left open parenthesis A3 comma 4 close parenthesis, then the result is user. Let's quickly summarize the key points. The left function extracts characters from the beginning of a text string. Also, it is perfect for extracting prefixes, codes, and identifiers from text. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.